Welcome to Jeepin' with Jenny. Today's project is going to be adding steps to JJ. As you can see, she's a little tall and makes it a little bit difficult to get in. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's get going.
Okay, we're ready to put these steps in. We got all our supplies. Ready to do it.
Probably going to want to sit on your butt.
So we're working on the fitment of our Quadratec QRC side steps, and we've run into an issue. We have a long arm suspension someone put in here, and in order to do that, they welded these little tabs here, not very nicely by the way, and that is right where this needs to sit. So that is not going to work, and we're going to have to do some adjusting to make this work. Stay tuned to see what happens. What we've decided to do is to grind off this tab on both sides so that our step mounter will fit up there correctly. And then also in the back here, we're going to grind this off to get a nice smooth fit, because that does not need to be there.
Part of the old suspension. Made a mess.
So we'll get that all taken care of. Okay, time to figure out where these guys go. So we got these holes here. We're gonna use this pen to mark up here where it goes so that the step can hang correctly.
Yeah, just hold it like that.
So we've got our holes pre-drilled with the smaller than needed because I accidentally broke the right size on the other one. So our son's on the way home with the right size drill bit, and we've got our holes on both sides. Once he gets here, we will be able to bolt this thing in. Can't wait. Okay, kid came back with the right drill bit, fixed our holes. Now we have our screws to put in. All right, we got them in. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, way easier. Yay, the steps are installed. Thanks for watching, guys. As you can guess, putting in the Quadratec steps would have been much easier without our grinding we had to do. But also, as we are learning, every time we do a project with JJ, it doesn't go as easy as we think. I guess that's part of the joy of having a Jeep, right? Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a like, leave me a comment, or subscribe if you want to keep watching what's going on. Thanks, guys.